So the Palomar knot's great for many applications and lines, but I'm going to show you a new knot that is super simple that you can tie for the drop shot. Basically take your line and run it through the eye of the hook just like you would normally, and pull out the desired length of line for your drop shot. And then you're just going to make a loop on this end and then just wrap it around your main line 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to take the tag end and pass it through. It's a little harder with the long leader on the drop shot, but pass it through that, semi-cinch it, and then just go ahead and pull it tight. And you're going to have that little click at the end. That's how you know it's cinched tight and everything's laying as it should. Then what I do is take the tag in and pass it through the top of the eye of the hook, and that way your hook's going to run straight like that when you're rigging up the drop shot. The main thing that I want to stress is it's important to have confidence in the knot that you're going to tie, whether it's the Palomar or the Eugene slip. It's important that you really are just confident that when you hook up with a fish, it's going to do the right job for you and you're going to be able to bring it to the boat. And you're going to be able to tie it under any kind of conditions, windy day like today or rainy conditions. You can do it easily without thinking, and it can be almost like second nature.